In orthopedics, a varus deformity is a term for the inward angulation of the distal segment of a bone or joint. The opposite of varus is called valgus. Easy to remember: VARUS, AIRUS, that is AIR in between or more space in between the joints. The terms varus and valgus always refer to the direction that the distal segment of the joint points. For example, in a varus deformity of the knee, the distal part of the leg below the knee is deviated inward, resulting in a bow-legged appearance. Conversely, a valgus deformity at the knee results in a knock-kneed appearance, with the distal part of the leg deviated outward. Terminology: the terminology is made confusing by the etymology of these words. In the original Latin, the definitions are the opposite of current usage. Valgus actually means bow-legged, and varus, knock-kneed. Application of these words in adjectival form to other portions of the body by the medical community has resulted in their definitions changing so that they now refer to the angle of the distal segment. It is correct for a knock-kneed deformity to be called both a varus deformity at the hip and a valgus deformity at the knee. Although the common terminology is to simply refer to it as a valgus knee. When the terminology refers to a bone rather than a joint, the distal segment of the bone is being described. Thus, a varus deformity of the tibia refers to the distal segment in a varus alignment compared to the proximal segment. Examples: hip, coxavarina. The angle between the head and the shaft of the femur is reduced, resulting in a limp. Knee, geniverima. The tibia is turned inward in relation to the femur, resulting in a bow-legged deformity. Ankle, torlipes equina varus. Inward turning of the heel, resulting in club foot with the person walking on the outer part of the foot. Toe, hallux varus. Inward deviation of the big toe away from the second toe. Elbows, cubitus varus. Turned inward elbows. See also, valgus deformity, references. Canale and Beattie, Campbell's Operative Orthopedics, 11th ed. 2007, Mosby, An Imprint of Elsevier.